Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. It has been trained on a massive amount of data and is capable of generating human-like responses to natural language queries. Chat GPT can be used in a variety of ways to make money online. In this text, we will discuss some of the most popular ways to monetize Chat GPT. Chatbot services. One of the most common ways to use Chat GPT to make money online is by offering chatbot services. Chatbots are computer programs that can simulate conversations with human users. Chat GPT can be used to power chatbots, providing a more natural and engaging conversation experience for users. You can offer chatbot services to businesses, allowing them to automate customer service and support, lead generation, and even sales. Chat GPT can also be used to create content for websites, blogs, and social media platforms, as Chat GPT can generate human-like responses to natural language queries. It can be trained to write articles, blog posts, and social media posts on specific topics. This can save businesses and individuals time and effort, allowing them to focus on other important tasks. Language translation. Chat GPT can be used to provide language translation services, as Chat GPT can understand and generate responses in multiple languages. It can be used to translate text and speech from one language to another. This can be a valuable service for businesses and individuals looking to communicate with people who speak different languages. Education and training. Chat GPT can be used to create educational and training materials for businesses and individuals, as Chat GPT can generate responses to natural language queries. It can be used to create interactive training modules, educational videos, and online courses. This can be a lucrative business opportunity for individuals with expertise in a specific area. Virtual assistants. Chat GPT can also be used to create virtual assistants that can help users with tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and even providing personalized recommendations. Virtual assistants powered by Chat GPT can provide a more personalized and human-like experience for users, which can be a valuable service for businesses and individuals. Chat GPT can be used in various ways to make money online. From chatbot services to content creation, language translation, education and training, and virtual assistants, the opportunities are endless. As the technology continues to improve, we can expect to see even more innovative ways to monetize Chat GPT in the future. Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI that has a wide range of applications in the online business world. With the ability to generate human-like responses to natural language queries, Chat GPT can be used to create engaging and personalized experiences for customers, leading to increased revenue and customer satisfaction. In this text, we will provide examples of successful online businesses that have used Chat GPT for revenue generation. Hugging Face is a company that provides chatbots and other natural language processing solutions to businesses. Their chatbots are powered by Chat GPT and are used by companies such as Airbnb, Uber, and Walmart to provide better customer service and support. Hugging Face has raised $70 million in funding and is valued at over $500 million, demonstrating the potential of Chat GPT for revenue generation. Copy.ai is a company that uses Chat GPT to generate high-quality marketing copy for businesses. Their AI-powered platform can generate product descriptions, social media posts, and other marketing content quickly and efficiently, saving businesses time and resources. Copy.ai has attracted over 25,000 users since its launch in 2020 and has raised $2.9 million in funding. Ada is a company that provides AI-powered chatbots for businesses. Their chatbots are powered by Chat GPT and are used by companies such as TELUS, Shopify, and AirAsia to automate customer service and support. Ada has raised over $70 million in funding and has been named a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for conversational platforms. B12 is a company that uses Chat GPT to generate websites for businesses. Their AI-powered platform can create customized websites quickly and efficiently, saving businesses time and resources. B12 has raised $39.6 million in funding and has been named a top 50 AI company by Forbes. OpenAI, the company that developed Chat GPT, has also used the technology for revenue generation. They offer a range of AI-powered products and services, including language processing tools and chatbots. OpenAI has raised over $1 billion in funding and is valued at over $12 billion, making it one of the most successful AI companies in the world. Chat GPT has been used by a variety of successful online businesses to generate revenue. From chatbots and marketing copy to website creation and customer service automation, the potential applications of Chat GPT are endless. As the technology continues to improve, we can expect to see even more innovative uses of Chat GPT in the online business world. Chat GPT, an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI, can be used for lead generation and customer retention in a number of ways. With its ability to generate human-like responses to natural language queries, Chat GPT can provide personalized and engaging experiences for potential and existing customers, leading to increased lead generation and customer retention. Lead generation refers to the process of attracting potential customers and converting them into leads or individuals who have shown interest in your product or service. Chat GPT can be used to engage with potential customers in a conversational manner, answering their questions and providing relevant information about your product or service. This can help build trust with potential customers and increase the likelihood of them converting into leads. One way to use Chat GPT for lead generation is to incorporate it into your website as a chatbot. The chatbot can engage with visitors to your website, answer their questions, and provide them with relevant information about your product or service. By providing personalized and engaging experiences, Chat GPT can help increase the number of leads generated from your website. Customer retention refers to the process of keeping existing customers engaged and satisfied with your product or service. Chat GPT can be used to provide personalized and timely support to customers, which can help increase customer satisfaction and retention. One way to use Chat GPT for customer retention is to incorporate it into your customer service platform. The chatbot can provide immediate support to customers, answering their questions and resolving their issues in a timely manner. By providing personalized and efficient support, Chat GPT can help increase customer satisfaction and retention. Another way to use Chat GPT for customer retention is to use it to personalize your marketing efforts. Chat GPT can be used to analyze customer data, such as purchase history and preferences, and provide personalized product recommendations and offers to customers. By providing relevant and personalized offers, Chat GPT can help increase customer loyalty and retention. Chat GPT can be a powerful tool for lead generation and customer retention. By providing personalized and engaging experiences to potential and existing customers, Chat GPT can help increase the number of leads generated and improve customer satisfaction and retention. With its ability to analyze customer data and provide personalized recommendations, Chat GPT can help businesses build stronger relationships with their customers and increase revenue over time. The upcoming release of GPT-4, the successor to the popular language model GPT-3, is generating a lot of buzz in the AI and marketing communities. While details about GPT-4 are still limited, it's expected to be even more powerful and versatile than its predecessor, which could have significant implications for ChatGPT and AI marketing. One of the main benefits of GPT-4 is expected to be its ability to generate even more human-like responses to natural language queries. This could make ChatGPT even more effective at engaging with customers and generating leads. With its ability to understand context and generate relevant responses, ChatGPT powered by GPT-4 could provide an even more personalized and engaging experience for customers. In addition, GPT-4 is expected to have even more advanced capabilities in areas such as natural language processing and image recognition. This could open up new opportunities for AI marketing, such as the ability to analyze visual content and provide more targeted product recommendations based on customer preferences. However, with these advancements also come potential challenges. The increased capabilities of GPT-4 could make it even more difficult to detect fake or malicious content generated by AI, which could have implications for online security and privacy. As a result, it will be important for businesses and AI developers to stay vigilant and ensure that the technology is used in ethical and responsible ways. The upcoming release of GPT-4 has the potential to further revolutionize the world of AI marketing. and lead to even more personalized and engaging experiences for customers. However, it will also be important to carefully consider the ethical implications of this technology and ensure that it is used responsibly. As Chat GPT and other AI language models continue to evolve, businesses will need to stay up to date on the latest advancements and adapt their marketing strategies accordingly to stay competitive in the marketplace. The upcoming release of GPT-4 has the potential to bring significant improvements to ChatGPT's capabilities, as it is expected to be even more powerful and versatile than its predecessor, GPT-3. Some of the potential improvements that GPT-4 could bring to ChatGPT's capabilities are as follows. Increased accuracy. GPT-4 is expected to have improved language processing capabilities, allowing it to generate more accurate and contextually relevant responses to natural language queries. This means that Chat GPT powered by GPT-4 could provide even more personalized and engaging experiences for customers, leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Enhanced multitasking. GPT-4 is expected to be able to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, allowing Chat GPT to be more efficient and effective in handling customer queries and generating leads. This means that Chat GPT could be used in more complex scenarios, such as customer service or sales, and provide a better user experience. Improved context awareness. GPT-4 is expected to have even better contextual awareness, which means it can better understand the meaning and intent behind natural language queries. This could enable Chat GPT to provide more accurate and relevant responses to customers, leading to increased engagement and conversion rates. Advanced customization. GPT-4 is expected to have more advanced capabilities in customization and personalization, allowing Chat GPT to provide even more tailored experiences to customers. This could include personalized product recommendations or customized offers, leading to increased customer loyalty and retention. Better understanding of visual content. GPT-4 is expected to have more advanced image recognition capabilities, which means Chat GPT could better understand visual content and provide more targeted responses based on images or videos. This could enable businesses to provide a more engaging and personalized experience to customers, leading to increased sales and revenue. The potential improvements that GPT-4 could bring to ChatGPT's capabilities are significant, ranging from increased accuracy and context awareness to advanced customization and multitasking. As businesses continue to adopt AI-powered solutions for customer engagement and lead generation, Chat GPT powered by GPT-4 could play an even more important role in driving customer satisfaction and business growth. The future of AI marketing with Chat GPT looks promising, as AI-powered solutions continue to transform the way businesses engage with customers and generate leads. While it's difficult to predict exactly what the future holds, there are several trends and possibilities that could shape the future of AI marketing with Chat GPT. Increased personalization. As ChatGPT's capabilities continue to improve with advancements in AI technology such as GPT-4, businesses will be able to provide even more personalized experiences to customers. This could include customized product recommendations or personalized messaging, leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Enhanced automation. AI-powered solutions like Chat GPT are already automating many tasks such as customer service or lead generation, and this trend is likely to continue. With advancements in AI technology, Chat GPT could become even more efficient and effective in handling these tasks, freeing up human resources to focus on higher-level strategic tasks. Integration with other technologies. Chat GPT could become even more powerful when integrated with other technologies such as image recognition or natural language processing. This could enable businesses to provide more targeted and relevant responses to customers, leading to increased engagement and conversion rates. Expansion into new industries. As businesses continue to see the benefits of AI-powered solutions for marketing and lead generation, Chat GPT could expand into new industries beyond traditional tech or e-commerce. This could include healthcare, finance, or even government services, providing a more efficient and personalized experience for customers in these industries. Ethical considerations. With the increasing use of AI-powered solutions like Chat GPT, it will be important to consider the ethical implications of these technologies. Businesses will need to ensure that they are using Chat GPT and other AI technologies in a responsible and transparent way. while also protecting the privacy and security of customer data. The future of AI marketing with Chat GPT looks bright. With continued advancements in AI technology and increased adoption of AI-powered solutions by businesses. With increased personalization, enhanced automation, integration with other technologies, and expansion into new industries, Chat GPT is poised to play an even more important role in driving customer engagement and lead generation in the years to come. If you're running an online business, now is the time to start considering the benefits of using Chat GPT and AI marketing to drive growth and success. With ChatGPT's ability to provide personalized responses to customer inquiries and automate tasks such as lead generation and customer retention, it can help you save time and resources while providing a better customer experience. Incorporating AI-powered solutions into your online business strategy can also help you stay ahead of the competition and stay relevant in a rapidly changing market. With advancements in AI technology, ChatGPT is becoming even more powerful and capable, providing businesses with new opportunities to engage with customers and drive sales. But it's important to remember that implementing AI technology also requires ethical considerations. Businesses must ensure that they are using ChatGPT and other AI-powered solutions in a responsible and transparent way, while protecting the privacy and security of customer data. So, if you're ready to take your online business to the next level, consider incorporating ChatGPT and AI marketing into your strategy. By doing so, you'll be able to provide a better customer experience, save time and resources, and stay ahead of the competition in a rapidly changing market. Thank you for taking the time to watch and read this content about ChatGPT and AI marketing. I hope that you found it informative and useful for your online business strategy. If you have any questions or comments about the topic, I encourage you to leave them in the comments section below. I'll do my best to respond and provide further insights or clarification. Your feedback and engagement are valuable to me, as it helps me to improve the quality of content and provide you with more relevant information in the future. So, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and ideas with me. Again, thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.